Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this device. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you want to take off a case of your device if you have one on. And the tray is located at the bottom of the device. Now you'll see a little hole in the cutout of the tray, so you want to place your pin in that area, push it in, and as you can see, the tray comes out enough for you to just grab it using your fingernail and pull it out. On the tray you'll have space for just two different SIM cards, and you can place two of them on either side, or one on either side. So one here and one at the bottom, or if you're planning to use one, you can place it on the top or bottom, it doesn't really matter. From there, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. Now there's a chance that this SIM card might change language. Okay, it didn't. So there we go. Now that's all you really need to do. Once you insert your SIM card, it should start working right away. If you experience some problems where it won't start working right away, like for me it's not finding reception, you could just hold your power button. Nope, power, and what is it? Goodness sake, get rid of this. We just hold it for extended period of time. So once you hold your power button, just select restart, and yeah, at that point your card should start working without a problem. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.